Today is the 12th of July 2023. What a blessing day, guys. Most of the traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market dollar CAD. We've been short since the Asian session and we were waiting for that news. We also had this breakout, just break previously. We were expecting a pullback, by the way. And if you look at the price action, we have impulsive and we have this small correction and impulsive move. So we have Asian session, we had the short trade here. We also had a short trade in the morning, and then later on, once the price developed reversal pattern, so we were expecting here another short trade here, a pullback around this level. We did another intraday analysis and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. And later on, the news also support news wasn't good for the dollar and the dollar CAD. The rate was higher, and that basically pushed dollar CAD a bit further down. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. That's pretty straightforward. If you look at the Asian session, this is the analysis. Even before that, we have this breakout, bank profit, and afterward at the Asian session, as explained to my trader, just keep taking up pullbacks. So based on the Asian session analysis, we have this beautiful breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the first target, as explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if you can get another pullback, which you can see here. As explained my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks, and then later on, once the price develop reversal pattern, this is what we explained. This is the structural market developed. So as explained my trader, this is a sign. This basically give us the significant sign of continuation of short. Let's wait for the news. So you can see it just before the news, market broken, we have big profit. As soon as the price broken the previous low and data release for the CAD, which is the rate is higher, 5%, 0.025% increase, and that's basically pushed dollar down further against the CAD. And then as soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what explained my trade, is time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading, guys, and wish you all the best.